What's up, everybody? It's your boy Keith, aka Mr. PMD. When it comes to suspension on these Japanese vehicles, especially the big body sedans, there's one name in the game currently that everybody knows, and that's T-Demand. T-Demand is one of the companies that hands down makes one of the best adjustable suspension for these larger big body sedans. And we're not talking about you drift guys, but we're talking about the VIP boys or the quote unquote stance boys who are looking for a way to ride as low as they can, but still keep their geometry in line to get the perfect fitment. So they, or perhaps they just want to correct the tire wear that we get from the excessive camber. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and I want to unbox a T-Demand suspension. Now this T-Demand suspension is for the GZ50 Toyota Century. One of my friends and clients here in Jacksonville, Florida is building a Toyota Century, and he is the ethos of buy once, cry once. He wanted the best, so I got him the best, and that is the T-Demand suspension. Let's take a look. Now when it comes to T-Demand, as we all know, they are one of the innovators in the game. That's why they call it product innovation. High quality Japanese packaging. We got the instructions for the Pro Arm. All right. There's one. All right, so comes with the full instructions in Japanese. You're gonna have to translate them. Let's take a look. What do you get for all that money? Now, I do believe this is the front upper. So it comes in the T-Demand orange with their ball joint, spherical bushings. Wow, they come with boots on it, not bad. Got the T-Demand on the ball joint. And we have our next, we have our tie rod ends, offset. I believe these are going to be the rear uppers. There we go, some more premium Japanese packaging. Again, we got the instructions, and these are going to be the roll center adjusters. These are the rear tension arms. And the last one. And these are going to be the front lower control arms. And there we have it, the full T-Demand suspension for the GZ50 Century. All right, so these are the front uppers. These I do believe are the rear uppers. Tie rod ends. As you can see, the tie rod ends. Not too shabby. Obviously, these are a premium, high quality part. Hence, laser etched T-Demand logo and their T-Demand orange. So if you want to buy once, cry once, and get something like this, hit me up, pmddriven.com. Send me a message. You can text me 904-755-8360. These are special order. They are price on demand, so I don't have them available on the website for immediate purchase. But definitely, I can talk you through the entire purchase. These are the front lower control arms and the caster arms. We've got some additional bracing here. Powder coating is beautiful. Can definitely tell you that. Tiedemann logo. Full arm setup. And the roll center. The lower roll center adjusters.